Welcome this video. Video title is This Re-Sampling Explore the Timeless Elegance of Waterfall Fountain Introducing in the realm of landscape, architecture and urban design. Few functional exude tranquility and timeless elegance quick like the waterfall fountain with its gentle cascade of water harmonium symphony of sound and captivate vibrant allow the waterfall fountain to stand as the testament of the fusion of art and nature. A historical reverie to term appreciate the signification of waterfall fountain one mute debut into here rich historic trope from the magician gardening or beyond to the tranquil interior move thoughtful history have raising the beauty of symbol of water. Water was revel as a showing of life and rejection, fronting partition, so natural waterfall became focal point and suggesting and contemporary the art of funding design expand a regime to its honor with master craftsmen and architecture such as growing and create often water functional that urban gardening plays and those masterpieces not only showcase toning power as climber and harmonium surrounding benefit man and nature. The art of tranquility. If the heart of even waterfall funding line and innovation, the tranquility, a century, valve and modern life might allow a smooth embrace of flower water decoding of the conding cricket sampling the sound of ship mean nodding often a moment as resting in the world feel its core. Most over waterfall funding survey as focal point of tranquility and musician in cold weather installed in the public pond or provide road survey often provide a space for reference and rejuvenate, fall deep, connect with often with oneself and the natural world. Entertainment, hormone beyond air, static appear, waterfall, fountain, also convenient to projectic hormone promote and centrability those provide of flower water adult are many of plants and animal space create those with urban landscape most over and captivate to water from the funding surface help or movement the urban hard effect provide regime